Product details of Crown Pro SW825M8250W2 terminal subwoofer speaker, black. Size 8 inches. Max power 250 watts. 125 W normal. Impedance 8 ohms plus 8 ohms. Sensitivity 96 decibels. WM frequency response 75 Hz to 3 kHz. Voice coil 35.5 millimeters. Magnet 120 x 17 millimeter. Size 23.5 x 23. 5 x 12 centimeter. Weight 2.3 kilogram. I buy it at authorized Crown dealer and the link online store at the description at a whole price and tested. Visit knowinsidegadget.blogspot.com to know more what inside this stuff and test result. Subscribe. Hello world, today I show you the Crown Subwoofer Speaker Double Cone Model Pro SW825M, which is a specification of 150 watts in normal, 250 watts in max. Also there is 8 ohms impedance, which is 8 plus 8 ohms for double cones terminal. It is a brand new I order on online store for $50. I will show you the unboxing video of this stuff. Enjoy to watch the video. This Crown subwoofer speaker is branded, and the advertisement of the seller, it is double terminal rated at 8 ohms at 125 watts and got 250 watts for the second terminal input. If user use it to parallel connection, it should be got at a 4 ohms, and if series connection, it should be 16 ohms. Let's check the terminal using multi-testers for ohms reader. It's rated 7.6 ohms for my test result. It is okay. and it very close. Okay, let's test. If shorted to body and connectivity for each cone, the good two terminals must be not connected to each other, otherwise, it is shorted or grounded. It is perfect, no grounded or shorted to body and both terminal.